Welcome to ITEXPS System Inc. I am super excited that you selected us as your training provider. We are incredibly proud to serve you and support you during this pivotal career transition. Our mission is to prepare you for the job market, and we are confident that our resources will get you there. Today, I'll guide you through the essential resources, tools, and platforms that will ensure you have the best experience while training with us. These include Google Classroom, Infotech Guide community groups, WhatsApp groups, AI-powered resume and interview preparation tools, career consulting appointments, internship projects, and more. Let's dive into our primary learning management system, Google Classroom. This is where your entire course lives. You must create an account using a Gmail address. Once we send your invitation, please check your inbox and your spam folder, then click the link to join. I highly recommend downloading the Google Classroom app on your phone for instant access to announcements. Once you're in, navigate to the Classwork tab. This is your roadmap. You will find a week-by-week outline containing your class agenda. This agenda includes your permanent WebEx link for remote attendance. Everything you need is here. Software download links, quiz to complete, assignment to complete, required reading, and specific videos to watch before class. Most importantly, find the WhatsApp group link and join immediately to connect with your classmates and receive real-time updates from us. Next is infotechguide.net, your digital library. First, sign up at InfoTechGuide under About Us and then Groups. You must first become a site member, then request all group access. Each group is topic-specific and requires permission to view its internal labs and homework content. Use the magnifying glass to search for desired topics. It is a wealth of technical information designed to reinforce your classroom learning. Accuracy and consistency are key. Your homework details are listed in Google Classroom and are typically due within a week. To submit, click on the assignment and use the Upload option on the right side to attach your Google Doc, Word file, or PowerPoint. Once our staff grade your homework, you will see your grade report here. For career prep, visit ITEXPS System website, www.itexps.net, and click IT Staffing tab. You'll find technical quizzes and AI resume scan tool, AI interview coach, career navigator that validates your resume score against specific job descriptions, quiz for certification preparation, and more. Don't miss our Monday evening coaching at 5 p.m. CST. This is where you learn interview strategies and project management. After completing 3 courses, you may qualify for our internship programs. These are volunteer opportunities starting every 2 months where you can practice real-world projects. Stay healthy, build relationships, and practice daily. We serve students nationwide, from WIOA and MyCAA applicants to career changers everywhere. I know this is a lot to digest, so take your time. If you have questions, call us at 847-350-9034 or book a virtual appointment on our site. Your program can typically be completed within 4 to 6 months. You'll attend multiple classes each week, and detailed scheduling along with additional information will be shared as you progress. Stay committed, keep learning, and strive to achieve something remarkable. Once again, thank you for trusting ITEXPS System. Let's start this journey together.